Hi, and welcome to another edition of Cooking on the Road with Scotty B. In today's episode, we're going to explore the many different ways to make a salad. Now, when salad comes to mind, it could be anything. That's the beauty of a salad. It could be egg salad, tuna salad, beet salad, potato salad. Wait a minute. 3 beans can make a salad? Yeah, it's true. So, we're going to try and make a super simple salad. That's the way we like to do it out here on the road. Keep it simple, but delicious. So without further ado, let's get ready for some great food. Making my salad on the road here, it doesn't take but a few minutes and it's delicious. And I've got a few things I want to show you before we start making it. But who wants to make a super simple salad? Well, there you have it. For the first time in my life, all the voices in my head agree. They all want a super simple salad. So that's what we're going to make. So let's get to it. Well, for starters, I like to use a vinaigrette. Any vinaigrette will do, whatever suits your taste. I've had peach vinaigrette. I've had this roasted garlic vinaigrette, aged balsamic vinaigrette. So you can go with any dressing that you like, but vinaigrette's one of my favorites. And then we're gonna do a couple of mushrooms, some cherry tomatoes, and a regular tomato. We're gonna make two salads, so I can have one for later on tomorrow. And get your salad, your traditional salad mix. You can get this at any grocery store. Just get a nice garden salad mix or whatever suits your fancy. Romaine, whatever you like. Miniature cucumbers. Love them. Absolutely love them. These things, they slice up, they crunch. It's all good. And some nice finely shredded cheddar or Mexican style cheese. Just that it says Mexican style doesn't mean it's spicy, so it's good cheese. Got it from Aldi's, like most of my products. And for the topper, we got cranberry and glazed walnuts, or topper with nuts and seeds. So you got great raisins, cranberries, pumpkin seeds. None of this is bad for you, unlike our Widowmaker episode. But we're going to keep trying. Make good food. It doesn't have to taste bad. And then, if you prefer, we have the old bacon bites, the imitation bacon bits. They didn't have any regular bacon bits, so this will have to do. All right, let's get started assembling. Okay, so we've started with the salad mix, and we've placed a nice portion in the bowls. And now we'll move on to the slicing of the mushrooms. All right, just slice the mushrooms like so, as thick or as thin as you like. That's one for one salad. And number two. These are baby portobellas, by the way, in case you're curious. All right, that's two. Second salad. All right, next we're going to do the tomatoes. For cherry tomatoes, you don't need to cut them if you don't want to, but you can. I prefer mine whole. Throw a few in here. Get it looking good. Looking good. Okay, next we're going to place our cheese on here. Get rid of this board here real fast. Get our Mexican sliced cheese finely shredded. This makes it for a great taco salad too. That'll be for another episode. Okay, that's one. And here's two. And they look good. Now we'll put our bacon bits. There we go. A little bit for that one. A little bit for that one. And finally, our salad topper. Like I say, you can get this at any grocery store. We got these at Myers, I believe. It's called Nature's Garden Organic Salad Toppers. Doesn't have to be organic, but if it is, it's better for you. So place some of these on that. Oops, cranberry almost got away. All right. And then last but not least, you know what that sound is. That's our roasted garlic vinaigrette. And I probably gotta take the top off of this and get that little stopper out of there. There we go. Okay. And I'm gonna douse this cherry tomato version of it. That looked great. It smells great too. Now, little thing that I like to do, break out the old spice rack, some cracked pepper. Yeah, this is everything on this salad. Let me tell you right now, everything on this salad is optional. You can leave it off, you can put it on, you can add to it. That's the great thing about salads. You can't make them wrong. You can make them like you like them. So, back at it. Now it's time to give it a try. The crunch, the freshness, and the vinaigrette. That's the best part. Let's try a tomato. Cherry tomato here. You can get cherry tomatoes, grape tomatoes. It's all good. So if you're hankering for a salad with some substance, I would dare say this is a pretty good start. And then you can build out from there. So, yes, I'm going to finish this off. So, you guys give it a try. Get all your ingredients together and have fun with it. That's what it's all about. Cooking on the road. Scotty B. We like to bring this kind of good food, easy to make, and taste great. So, until next time, thanks for checking in with us for this episode. Subscribe, tell all your friends, and we'll keep making more episodes, more great food. Thanks again. Have a great day. Oh my God.